feel like with music. Back with the Nasdaq analysis. This is going to be amazing because I am seeing for some great upside move. Now guys, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and all for those who have subscribed, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, guys, and comment down below. This is where I interact with you guys. It's like basically like a free mentorship for you guys where I can interact, so make use of it, guys. So firstly, guys, what am I seeing on the daily time frame on Nasdaq, right? And we can see that we are in a major uptrend, ascending channel. As you can see, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and now we're currently there at the fourth one. So every time we come to the trend line, we bounce off up, bounce off up, bounce off up, and now we came back to the trend line. And what can happen from here? Possibly a bounce off higher. But there's a certain sequence that Nasdaq moves with, right? And what am I seeing? That if you go all the way to the 4 hour, you'll see a certain sequence that before it bounces up, it actually creates a counter trend, a trend that's going against the move upwards before it actually breaks up. You can see here that I drew a trend line here, and I'm gonna make it white for you guys so you can actually see it. Okay, so you can see here. So what happens is that the market first tests it once, twice, and once it breaks out of this area, right, and retests it over there, it shoots all the way high. Okay, and it did it over here again. Came to the trend line, have a counter trend, breaks out, tests it for a couple of times, and then shoots all the way higher. Right? Then came back to the trend again and did the exact same thing. Counter trend, breaks out, retests, and goes all the way high again. Now you can see we're back now for the fourth time on this trend line. Right? We have the counter trend. What can possibly happen is that we have a break and then a test, and then we go buying. So that's basically what I'm looking for Nasdaq, is that break and retest to continue, break this counter trend to continue higher. But then we saw something more. Okay, so that is a one direction. We went down to the 1 hour, and if you go down to the 1 hour, you'll see another structure over here, right? That is quite interesting. You guys can see this here, right? Over there, that is another counter trend, and then we have another little movement trend line that we can pull out from here to here. If I'm correct, just go to the far quick to see it. Yeah, something like that. We have this uptrend here, right? And we can maybe make that a little blue. You see? So we have this uptrend line, and we have the counter trend here, break tested. So that's 1 2 confluences, 3, and then we have a little correction over here. On the 30 minute, we can see a 30 minute, we can see a nice correction pattern. We can see, okay, this whole thing over here is very corrective, right? Over here, and then like that. You see that? That's a falling wedge coming to an area to buy, a zone to buy to continue going higher. So yes, the market can break. Say I'm going to take sales, okay? So let's say the market breaks out completely of this area and then come back for a retest. Then I'm looking to take sales all the way down. Currently now, I'm not yet looking for sales, I'm still looking for buys. However, if it breaks out of this trend here, then I'm definitely going to look for sales to continue down. If you guys understood that and it was straight to the point, please do like this video and comment down below what your thoughts are on this market. And don't forget to share this with people, share it with your friends and families. You know, maybe this can help him to actually see the market in a much more clearer, maybe they just get some clarity. Yeah guys, so I really appreciate you guys, and let's start making money.